Okay, recording time. We're recording. Say hi, Kev. Uh-oh, what is that? Oh, we're gonna get run over. Cool. How? Aren't we on the sidewalk? Alright, guys. So we are taping our walk. We're trying to get on Main Street in Evesham. Oh, look, there's a sidewalk. So as you can see, it's snowing. Oh, that house looks pretty. Shovel her what? Why do you have that stupid noise on?
I can't control because my hands hurt.
Oh, look, there's people doing snow. So that was fun. I just fell. So guys, this is our walk down Main Street during
One caught a blizzard.
a snowstorm. We're under a state of emergency in New Jersey, but I don't really see that. We thought it'd be fun to go for a walk in the snow, because I've always wanted to do this and nobody would ever do it with me. So we're doing it now. Probably not the best idea, but it's okay. We got like 20 layers of clothing on. Still freezing. I got the gloves that have that though. And I have a hat that says Cupid Psycho. He says that I'm psycho. I'm not psycho. I'm just cute.
Did you have psycho moments?
Thanks. See, here's a little view. There's a snowplow. This is the realtor that I said, Pat McKenna Realtors, they steal your money. Eleanor McKenna is a thief. Don't ever go to them. And I even have my cup to try to not spill my drink afterwards. So we don't need anything, but
She does that because every time we walk up here, she spills her coffee.
I don't know if you heard that, but it is true every time we go up here. Hey, my fingers are getting cold. The part that's not in the gloves. I'm surprised I haven't fallen yet. I've had two close ones. There's another little snowplow right there, guys. And then there's one of the manual ones there. And one of the little truck ones there. There's a dog. We're thinking about buying a puppy as a playmate for Freddie. Everyone knows our story, not getting into that. See, these are cars that are going way too fast. So the speed limit's 30 here, and they're kind of flying by. So when they crash into a telephone pole or something, that's why. This would be a really cool shot. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'm going to stop the tape here because I want to take a picture of this. But yeah, this is our walk in the weather advisory, state of emergency, New Jersey, Evesham. I don't know, January 2025. Look at those cars fly by. What, Kev? Hold on.